got these
Ashley,
ones.
take the whole basket out of the bag.
Oh.
You can get it out.
Oh. That's a pretty bag. Oh wow, morning blast. I use this. Lavender lotion. I love that smell too. That's my
Bath
favorite.
and Body Works.
Wow. Mom knows my smell. Oh, I love this last time you got it.
Lavender and vanilla. I know you like it. It's your birthday present.
Oh, it is little owls. Look, Michael. What is it? Gotta figure out how to open it.
I know she liked owls because of her grandma.
I love owls.
She had owls all over her house.
Oh, it's a nightshirt. Cool. I love it. I will definitely be wearing this during the summer because it gets hot. It's so pretty. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Oh, and I like these things. I still have the other kit you gave me because I'm not done with it.
And that's a
And
basket
that's a cute little basket.
to hold it in your bathroom.
Yeah.
Like that.
That is so cool. I could hang it too on my thing. Mom, I have a little hook at the bottom of my thing that I wanted something to put on, and this basket will go with it.
Ah.
It's so cool. I love everything. Thank you. And oh my God, this cup. I love this cup. I'm bringing it everywhere.
It says cat mom.
Yeah, I am a cat mom of 2 black cats, and I love
Yeah, I
them.
know. YouTube have seen them. And baby whining to go out.
Yes, I'm going to have to take a video of them in their new cat stroller.